self-driving car investigation overview. A car on autopilot was trying to park, but moments later it changed direction and swerved onto the road. It began accelerating and ultimately crashed into a building, killing and injuring several people. The driver claimed that there was a malfunction in the car's automated system, and a technical problem prevented him from stopping the car. But who is at fault? Our investigation revealed a shared responsibility between both parties. The human driver misused the autonomous feature by not properly monitoring it and failing to take control of it in time. The human driver, therefore, bears some degree of blame for not following the safety guidelines. As for the autonomous system, our technical analysis discovered a system malfunction during the crash. The software failed to recognize an obstacle and did not engage the emergency brake in time, contributing significantly to the incident.
Hi, my name is Keeshaav A. So here, for the question to what degree of blame for man or machine? Initially, let's look at the driver. For the driver, they are partially at fault due to the misuse of the system, whereas the autonomous system, it is significantly responsible for the software malfunction. Okay, let's look at the next question, which is asking us about the missing information from this summary. First, the technical logs. Detailed analysis of the car's data logs, sensor readings, and software performance leading up to the crash. Next, driver's actions. A deeper examination of the driver's actions, adherence to safety guidelines, and their understanding of the system. Finally, company's testing protocols. An assessment of the car company's safety testing, quality control measures, and response to prior incidents. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Isyraf Zamri. So recommendations for the car company to reduce the likelihood of more fatalities are, firstly, they could improve software quality control and they should stress more on their beta testing of the autonomous system for a broader range of real-world scenarios, including obstacle recognition and emergency braking. Next would be regular software updates, where they implement a system of continuous software updates to address vulnerabilities and improve safety of the car. Thirdly would be they enhance user education, where they provide comprehensive training and guidelines for the users regarding the proper use and limitations of autonomous features. Lastly would be they should develop a user reporting mechanism where a robust feedback mechanism for users to report system regarding issues or incidents.
Hi, my name is Munirul Haikal bin Hasbulmunir. So, based on the analysis and investigation performed by my previous team, we can conclude that both the driver and the autonomous system share responsibility for the occurrence. However, the system bears a greater share of accountability because of a serious malfunction. Okay. Then the automator needs to improve software quality control, regular upgrades, user education, and feedback channels to stop future fatalities. Thank you.